How do they do it? How? What is their magic? Ooh. Hey loves, today we're going to do a ShopMissA haul, and the most exciting thing about this haul is that I have a bunch. Actually, I have every single pair that they put out of the new Faux Mink lashes. I am wearing a pair right now. They are in the style jean. I am in love. You guys, can you see how, like, look how fluffy. They're so fluffy. They're so fluffy. I've been wearing, anyway, I could go on about them forever, but why don't we just jump into the haul and then I can tell you all about the ones that I've tried and what I think. And of course, we'll get some nice close-up shots of all of them. I also picked up some other new stuff, like one of their cream highlights, a bunch of their new powder blushes, and a couple brushes. I don't remember what else is in there, but we're just going to jump in. But before we do, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday here on my channel. Let's get into it. Right, so I'm just gonna start pulling things out. I'm gonna try and balance Luna on my lap as I do this. Okay, why don't we start with the lashes? Oh my goodness, you guys. I am so impressed. So I ordered all 12 pairs and then I ordered a couple of the ones that I thought I was really gonna like. So I have, this is an extra pair of Jean. I got an extra Jean, Jacqueline, and Tori, I think, were the three that I got extras of. And honestly, I've only tried Jacqueline and Jean so far, and I am so obsessed. I feel like Jacqueline, Jean, and Tori all kind of look similar. Not Jacqueline, I'm sorry, Jackie. I keep wanting to say Jacqueline because it's Jacqueline Hill. Jackie, Jean, and Tori are all pretty similar, but they're just varying degrees of intense. So I feel like the Jackie ones are like, they're still intense lashes, but they're like the shorter ones, and then Tori's, and then Jean. I feel like these are the most dramatic of the ones that look like this. So fluffy, you guys, so fluffy. Okay, these right here are Melissa. It probably will be more beneficial for you guys if I take them out of the packaging, so you can really see them. So this is, let me get real close. This is what Melissa looks like. You can kind of see these ones are not as dramatic as some of the other ones, but they're still really pretty. The bands on these are kind of thick, but they're very flexible. What I do is I pull them off and I just sit there and kind of wishy-washy them. That's what I think of. Just kind of like snake them around, and that makes them a little more flexible. I had zero trouble with the Jackie ones staying on my eye. I think it might just be the glue that I used today with these ones, plus the more dramatic, it seems to be a slightly thicker band. But again, for $1.55, like I can't even, they look beautiful. Like I'm obsessed. Again, I'll show you the Jean ones, even though I have them on, but I want you to be able to see. Ugh, see how pretty they are? These are like the prettiest lashes ever. So those are Jean. Here's Shelby. Take them out for you. Those are Shelby. Really pretty. These next ones are Brianna. I think I'm gonna love these. They kind of remind me a little bit of the Soho lashes and Cocoa lashes that I love. Oh, they're so, and all of these like have more than one layer, so they're nice and like fluffy. These are nice and crisscrossed. Oh, they're so dramatic, so pretty. I'm sorry I keep making that noise. That noise is disgusting, but I get really excited. You guys, I love lashes so much, and like these are just insane. I don't even know how to say that name. Gaia, I think. Ooh, these look beautiful, you guys. Look at these. Fluff. How do they do it? How? What is their magic? Ooh, these actually might be the ones that looked a little more like Soho. I feel like these are a cross between Soho and Goddess. These are in Elidia? Elida? I'm not sure, but so pretty. I'm sorry, you guys. I get so obnoxious when I get really excited about things. I don't know why you guys put up with me sometimes, but you do. I think these ones are the shortest ones they have. These are in Yoni. They're super thick though. I have to turn them all the way so you can kind of see the tips of the lashes too. I can't tell if I'm gonna like these or not. I might like them because they're so thick and like fluffy, even though they're shorter. I like really long lashes. I have a really small lid and I don't know, I just feel like there's a lot of space, so I usually like a lot of brow bone space, so I usually like a little bit more of a bold lash. These ones are Tori. So I feel like of the ones that kind of look like the ones I'm wearing, this one's like the in-between between Jackie and, wait, or maybe Tori's smaller and weird. I'm confused. Okay, the pair, maybe it's the same thing with these as their dollar lashes where they're not really consistent, because these ones look longer than the the Jackie ones that I was wearing. So right now, it's looking like Tori is shorter. I don't know which one's going to actually be shorter because they are, I assume, mass produced. And that's kind of a thing where they still look like the same style, but sometimes they're a little bit different, which I'm totally okay with for the price. Like, I don't even care. I'm just sure that it's because they're just producing them so quickly and so cheaply. Okay, so these ones are Tori. I thought these were the in-between ones. I don't know. These ones look a lot like the jean ones that I'm wearing. Love, love, love. I know I'm going to love these. So next we're going to look at Jackie. So this pair of Jackie lashes doesn't look the same as the one I was wearing. I'm very confused. These look much longer than the ones I've been wearing. I just grabbed one of the extra pairs out of here. I didn't really analyze them together, but these are beautiful. So I do really like Jackie. Okay, next we have Carlene. Look at those, you guys. These look so beautiful. Okay, next we have Sonia. These look gorgeous. These look dramatic, but not, they're one of the less dramatic for this line because most of these are so stinking dramatic. Oh, beautiful. Again, Sonia. And the last ones we have are Vanessa. These are definitely the most dramatic and longest pair out of all of them. I am excited to try these. I think they're going to be a little bit much on my eyes, but if you have big eyes, these will be beautiful. I know these are dramatic. These are crazy dramatic. And I know that when I trim them, it's going to take off these extra little fluffies on the side that go straight out, which I think are actually really cute. But yeah, these are definitely the most dramatic. I don't feel like these look as dramatic on the website. I feel like most of these don't look as dramatic. So I hope that this is helpful and helps you guys. But again, so far I'm really loving Jackie. I'm loving Jean and Tori a lot. But honestly, these are all really beautiful. I'm really, really impressed. And I can't believe that they're selling them for the $1.55 price point. Like, that's just crazy. These are so, so beautiful. I cannot wait to order more. I got a couple brushes. So the brushes that I picked up were another one of their highlighting brushes, the F19. I love this thing for just like, it's so good to pinpoint your highlight and just packs it on. I had another one of these and it fell apart and I lost part of it. I was going to just fix it because of course if it breaks, you can just use super glue and super glue it back together. But I just don't know where the other part went, so I have it. So this is the F19. I love this brush. I am a big fan of their brushes. They're only $1. And then this guy, I think this one was a little more. It might have been $1.55. But this is one of their bamboo brushes, the E141. And it was just a fluffy blender. I was like, I'm gonna give that a go. I'm always down for a new blending brush. I love blending brushes so much. Blending brushes and like tiny brushes. I live for it. Oh, and obviously highlight brushes. Because clearly, look at this glow today. I'm so glowy. I decided to try some of their little glitters that they have. They put them up so you can buy them separately. It used to be you had to buy like 10 or 12 at a time. So I never really wanted to spend 10 or $12 because the whole beauty of ShopMissA is that everything's like $1 or $1.55. Given, of course, they have some stuff that's a little more, but it still breaks down to per product is usually about $1. I didn't really realize that there were two different kinds of glitter because I can definitely tell a difference in these two. This one is more of a traditional glitter and then this one's more of like a micro mica glitter or whatever, like a very fine glittery pigment, and this one's like a loose glitter. I have, let me see. Oh, one's a diamond powder. The diamond powder is going to be more of a pigment glitter. The crystal powder is more of an actual glitter. So I'm happy to know that now, to know the difference. Hopefully you guys can kind of see the difference in those. My nails are always horrendous. I'm sorry. So this one right here is more of an actual glitter, and then this one's more of like a micro. I'm just going to use the Revolution glitter glue and tap that on the back of my hand so I can swatch these. Ooh, she pretty. Look at that. So yeah, that's definitely more of like a glittery pigment. So the diamond powders are the ones that are more like this. This one is called Amber. So beautiful. And then the actual glitter is the crystal powder. This one is in copper. So the bottom one, those are both so crazy beautiful. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness. It's so cool because it's like got copper glitter and then there's like some silver glitter in there too. And I feel like it's such a unique combination. I love when glitters or makeup looks combine both warm and cool tones. And I feel like that's just so cool. I don't know. I'm really excited to use either or both of these. And now that I have seen them in person, guys, that's so pretty. Those are so pretty. I'm normally not huge on cream highlighters, but I decided I wanted to try one of them, especially because they were called Dewy. And I love saying Dewy. So it just made me laugh. This one is an opal. Okay, so I have swatched this guy. It's actually really pretty, and it is just kind of an opal glowy shade. I feel like I don't know if it's quite glowy enough for me. It is very glowy. That's like 3 layers of it because I want you guys to really be able to see it. Right. It looks like nothing compared to those glitters. It's right here. It's really, really beautiful kind of, I just feel like it looks like fairy dust to me. Like it reflects kind of orange and pink and is just really gorgeous. So I feel like it's gonna be really beautiful for under a powder highlight. Like I bet if I put that on and then went in with strobe globe or like one of the pearl lights from Revolution, I feel like it would just, any loose powder highlight is really gonna pop on top of that. But I think that if you like cream highlighters or you're kind of interested in them for $1, that's totally worth trying. It's just so small. I like that even though their products are super cheap, I like the fact that they're really tiny. So I grabbed 7 of their new powder blushes. If you guys have been watching me at all, you guys will know that I am obsessed with their Lumi blushes. So I was like, I'm just gonna go all in, but $7 for 7 blushes, that's just such a crazy good deal that I'm like, let's just try them all. Let's just try them all. And I feel like it's so much more fun to try new colors that you normally wouldn't use when it's so affordable because your investment is not that big. So I'm just gonna, they're all nice and packaged like this. So these are the perfect blush. I'm just gonna grab them in no particular order and just go through. So here's the first one. This is in Wispy. The packaging is a twist top. So you twist it off like this, which I think is cool. Not sure. This one looks kind of peachy. They look pretty pigmented. Not like super pigmented, but like the right amount of pigmentation, you know, for a blush because you don't want too much pigment. Ooh, she's cute. They feel really smooth too. Like I'm not surprised because like I said, I've been loving their blushes. I feel like they are going to pop open really easy because the twist is not, it's not even a full twist to open it. But I think that the packaging is cute. I think I'm gonna really love this one. This one is Darling. Nice nude. Nude, it's like kind of a dusty rose. Probably gonna be a little hard to get a, oh no, she got enough pigment. We can see her. She's arrived. She's right there. She's cute. This next one, this one is Delight. Nice, soft, dusty peach. That's what it looks like. It's hard to tell on camera, but it looks like a dusty peach. I got a couple bright ones, but for the most part, I got ones that I thought were gonna work for my skin tone because there's a few more, they were just super bright, and I just got the ones that I thought I'd really like. So it's this peachy one right here, nice and soft. Maud looks like a kind of dusty mauve. Maud, M-O-D, like Maud pizza. Ooh, she's got a bit, how did I get British right there? A nice bit of pigment. She's down here. Ooh, this next one we have is Stunner. This one's one of the brighter ones that I picked up. Ooh, yeah, she pigmented. She is pigmented. They're blending so smoothly. Look at that. She right there. This is the brightest one that I got. This one is Looker. It's a really pretty berry shade. Very pinky. Pinky, very, very pinky. And then this last one, I was hoping it would be kind of a contour shade. It's looking a little darker in person, but it definitely looks like it could still be one. This one is Fino, F-I-N-O. Oh no, it's pretty orange, so I'm not sure I'll be able to use it, but it'll make a pretty blush. I do like kind of bronzy orangey blushes. I don't know why, but I do. She's cute though. She's cute. So I'm definitely excited to try these blushes on the face. There's one more look at all of them. Definitely is something for everyone. And again, there's more shades than what I picked out. There may have been 10. I don't remember how many there were total, but some really cute blushes. All right, love, so that is everything that I picked up from ShopMissA. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Let me know if you want another full ShopMissA tutorial. I would love to do that for you. They're always bringing out new things. The AOA line is just so good, and like just honestly, compared to a lot of the other brands that they carry on there, the AOA line has like been the most hits out of anything. Of course, there's still hits or misses, but I am super impressed and I can't get over these lashes. I cannot wait to order more. I just feel like once people get like a hold of these, they're going to be impossible to get because they're just so beautiful. I am genuinely surprised at how good they are. Of course, they're not like the most expensive looking lashes ever, but I have definitely paid so much more for a pair of lashes that don't look this good and fluffy. Like I am just beyond in the amount of fluff. for $1.55, I have to tell everyone, like, when they were $1.55. Like, I just feel like it's crazy. How do they do it? I don't know how they do it. ShopMissA, you're magical. But of course, ShopMissA carries a lot of other items besides just makeup. That's just what I usually focus on. I have tried their accessories. I mean, for $1, you can't beat it. They have so many different things on there. Let me know what your favorite things are to shop for on ShopMissA. And if there's any other similar websites that I don't know about, let me know. I feel like it's gonna be really hard to beat this stuff though, because it's just so good. Okay, I am rambling. And I could ramble for forever, but I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share it if you could, because it does help me out so much. And please subscribe if you have not already. And as always, let me know down below what you want to see next. All right, I love you guys. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Wearing a pair as well. I'm wearing jeans. Luna. She loves to jump up on my leg, and she just like claws my leg. Why do? I know you just want to say hi, and you just want snuggles, but why do? Why do? It's so painful. Say hi. Get your highs out. Why do, my little parrot cat. All right, love. So I picked up a bunch of the new what am I saying? There are some what? And I'm like, oh, get on my face. I'm a little over glowy. I'm sorry. Maybe we can tame it. And I did full freckles for the first time in my life, and I'm excited. I keep saying it's different. Oh, I'm so backwards. I need more now. Okay? How do they do it? How do they do it? How? How is it only $1? How? Okay, take a shot every time I say $1. You're gonna be drunk. And share it if it could. What?